Question number 47, section 2.5, giving credit to pre-calculus textbook by Stewart, Redland, and Watson. The problem is telling us about a road that is going down really fast. We are told that the slope is, so the slope of this road is the rate that you are going down has a grade of 6%. What does that mean? So 6%. That means that slope equals to -6 over, remember, a percent is a number divided by 100. And since we are going down, it's going to be negative m, or slope, equals -6 over 100. Well, some of you look at this and you say, isn't this the same of saying m equals to -3 over 50? Can I not reduce? Absolutely, that's a perfect thing to do. Somehow in this problem, you notice that the vertical distance that you have gone down is 1,000 feet. So this is 1,000 feet. Okay. And the question is asking us to find this horizontal distance x in miles. Well, now we have to be careful with that because I have two different units. Okay. So the first thing that comes to probably your mind is going to, okay, I'm going to use a squared plus b squared equals c squared, but that's not going to work because we don't know the hypotenuse. We don't know the adjacent, so we don't have enough information. The only information that we have is that the slope. And look at this, and that since the slope of a linear line is consistent for every 3 units that you are going down, you're going 50 units to the right. So we have to use that information first. But first, let's convert our feet to miles before we forget it. What is it that we know? We know that 1 mile equals to 5,280 feet. Okay, so now I can convert and say that if I have 1,000 feet, and if I multiply that by, I know there is 1 mile per 5,280 feet. Now I can cancel the feet in here, and that equals 25 over 132, or you could also say it's approximately 0.19 miles. Now, how can I use my slope? I can say that if I go 3 units down per 50 units to the right, okay, if I have gone 0.19 down, remember, I'm keeping this 0.19 as negative because it's descending, it's going down. So if I've gone down that much, how much have I moved to the right? And now I can use cross multiplication. I can say that -3x equals to 50 times 0.19. And divide both sides of this equation by -3, and I will have x equals to, and I should say maybe approximately equals to. Divide left-hand side by -3, you get x. Divide the left-hand side by, I need a negative in here, by -3, you get 3.16 miles. Okay. So what were the important stuff here to remember? Number one, do yourself a drawing. That way you have a better understanding of what the problem is asking. Number two, simplify or reduce anytime you can, as we reduced -6 over 100 to -3 over 50. Don't forget to convert from feet to miles. That way, because we have to use the same units. And finally, don't forget that 1,000 feet is 0.19 miles, but 1,000 feet going down is -0.19. Well, I hope you find this video helpful, and thank you.